Hi, this is John with WTI, and I found, or this has been the only product that can only hold my hair into a right place whenever I'm trying to get a little shape or curls or anything. This is the Eco Styling Gel, the coconut smell. And one of the things that I would say straight up directly, what I like the most about this styling gel is the scent. Soft, easy to like, easy to wear coconut oil. Yes. Whenever you style your hair with this guy here, you're gonna get this light scent of coconut oil that just smells great. Great to your great hold. It's not gonna give any residue in your hair, any white spots after you wear this guy. It gives you a great hold for a whole day. The other day I went outside of my home like around 8 a.m. and still in the night my hair was holding in the right shape, in the right place. So if you're looking for a great styling gel that is gonna do the great job for you, this one's great. This was John with WTI. That was my point.